Imagine creating videos that actually make sales while you are sleeping. Videos that look professional, emotional, and human, yet were completely made by AI. That's exactly what Sora AI can do. It's OpenAI's new video generator that turns your words into cinematic scenes. And today I'll show you exactly how affiliate marketers can use it to promote real products and turn simple ideas into income, generating videos that work on autopilot. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Cesar. I'm chemical engineer, documenting my journey to build online freedom using AI tools. If you ever wanted to start affiliate marketing but felt overwhelmed by video creation, stay tuned. This video will change how you see content forever. So what exactly is Sora AI? It's OpenAI's newest model to generate ultra-realistic video just from text prompts. You simply type something like a golden retriever learning to sit in a sunny backyard, and in seconds it creates a cinematic clip that looks like it was filmed by a professional crew. You don't need actors, cameras, or editing software, just imagination. That's why marketers, creators, and entrepreneurs are calling it the next revolution after ChatGPT. As affiliate marketers, our biggest challenge is content creation. We need videos that stop people scrolling, build trust, and inspire them to take action. But creating that content usually takes hours. With Sora AI, you can now create cinematic storytelling ads, short-form content, or even full YouTube videos for your products in minutes. That means you can finally focus on choosing the right product, crafting the right message, while AI handles the production. Alright, so let's start on ClickBank.com. This is one of the biggest affiliate marketplaces in the world. If you don't have an account yet, just click start here, create a free one, and once you are inside, head over to the marketplace. Now, in the search bar, type dog training, and you'll see multiple offers pop up. The one I'm using for this example is called Brain Training for Dogs. It's a popular online course that helps owners train their dogs using positive reinforcement techniques. If we look at the stats here, you'll see an average commission per conversion of $40. And it has a good gravity score, meaning a lot of affiliates are already making sales with it. So this is a proven product. All we need to do now is creating engaging videos that get attention. And that's where Sora AI comes in. Now, let's move over to Sora AI. This is where the magic happens. Sora works just like ChatGPT, but instead of text, it gives you full cinematic video clips. All we have to do is describe the scene we want to show. I'm going to choose video and this aspect ratio. And then I'm going to write a prompt. Remember, we are not just making an ad. We're telling a short story that connects emotionally. That's it, just one paragraph, and Sora AI will generate an entire short video based on that description. Now, once you've got your video, upload it to YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok, and put your affiliate link in the bio. You can get your affiliate link when you click this button, and if someone buys from your affiliate link, you can get a commission. People don't buy links, they buy stories and trust. Your job isn't to push a product, it's to help people solve a real problem. If you can show transformation, in this case, a chaotic dog becoming calm and obedient, you connect emotionally. That emotion is what makes viewers click your links, not just curiosity. Once you have one winning video, scale it. Create different versions, different dog breeds, different owners, different emotions. Post them daily across multiple platforms. Use ChatGPT to write captions and hashtags automatically. The more stories you publish, the higher your chances of virality and the faster your affiliate commissions grow. We're living in a time when creativity and technology are merging. With tools like Sora, one person can do what used to require an entire studio. The only limit now is your imagination. So if you're ready to build your first AI-powered affiliate marketing system, start today. Use Sora AI to tell your story, promote your product, and share transformation through emotion. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.